SIMIX Multi-Surface Cleaner is a fantastic product for simplifying your janitorial supplies. Because this product is so flexible, it can replace a variety of other products that you may typically keep on hand or be using around your facility. At the standard dilution rate of 1/2 ounce of powder to 1 gallon of hot water, this multi-surface cleaner can replace quite a few products, and I'd like to show you some examples here. One application is just general purpose cleaning and sanitizing of high-touch surfaces. So this could replace an all-purpose cleaner or even a surface sanitizer. I have a couple of examples of those products here. This also means that you could clean glass with this product. We have examples here of both foaming and diluted product. And then this can also be very effective at cleaning and sanitizing bathrooms and removing mold and mildew or other types of bathroom cleaning applications that you might run into. So we have a bathroom sanitizer, a shower cleaner, and we have a mold and mildew remover. This is also a great product for degreasing. Now, if you plan on degreasing maybe kitchens or ovens, there's a slightly higher ratio of powder to hot water. And so on kitchen floors, for example, you can use the standard ratio. If you're using a mop bucket, that's 1.5 ounces of powder to 3 gallons of water. But if you're doing heavier degreasing in kitchens, then you can use 4 ounces of powder per 5 gallons of hot water. And an example of that might be a heavy degreasing oven cleaner. So here's an example of an oven cleaner that we might be able to replace and just simplify our purchasing by using this multi-surface cleaner. One of the areas where this product excels is also in floor cleaning, and that means both hard floors and carpets. So here I have a carpet cleaner and a hard floor cleaner that this product would replace. Now, the standard ratio of 1/2 ounce of powder to 1 gallon of hot water works well for hard floors. And with carpets, you can use either 1/2 ounce or up to 1 ounce per gallon of hot water, depending on the level of soil and the type of cleaning that you need to do. Now you can also use multi-surface cleaner in commercial auto scrubbers, pressure washing, or even in laundry. So this has a great number of applications that can benefit your facility and simplify your cleaning. Each 5-pound bag of multi-surface cleaning powder comes with 2 scoops. There's a larger 4-ounce scoop and there's a smaller 1/4 ounce scoop. And this enables you to do a variety of dilutions for this product depending on the application that you're looking at. If you're thinking about how far a 5-pound bag of this multi-surface cleaner would go, most applications use that standard 1/2 ounce of powder to 1 gallon of hot water ratio. Now, one 5-pound bag at 1/2 ounce per gallon makes 136 gallons of standard cleaning solution, and that equates to 544 32-ounce trigger sprayers. This multi-purpose cleaner is also very cost-effective, especially when you compare to the other products that you may be replacing. Buying a case of 4 5-pound bags of powder typically equates to a cost per gallon of 37 cents or less. So this can go an extremely long way and help in reducing your facility maintenance costs over time. As a recap, SIMIX Multi-Surface Cleaner excels at cleaning surfaces and a wide range of applications. This is a great product for simplifying the number of products that you have to keep on hand. It continues to clean over time with those active ingredients that respond to both artificial and natural light. And we also like this product because it's non-toxic, and so it's a very safe product to use within your facility.